Alright.
Through here.
Alright, got one more hour of this. Crap.
Is somebody gonna fill me in here? Who are those guys? And what does Charlie have to do with all this?
He was working with us on this one.
Wait, what was? He's not dead.
No.
Him and Chloe.
Wait, Chloe too?
Yeah, but they both bowed out when Cutter broke his leg.
He broke his leg?
He's lucky he didn't break his damn neck and fall like that.
He's fine.
Just between that and burning to death, I think I would have jumped too.
Not helping.
All right, just tell me what you're really looking for.
This? Come here. Sully, check this out.
I think we lost him. What do you got?
It looks like we stumbled right into our secret entrance.
Well, that's our girl. No, not going down there without some hardware.
Go talk to that rug merchant we just passed.
Well, guns, weapons.
He's not really a rug merchant.
Oh, right.
He's a thug merchant.
Hey, just watch yourself out there, okay?
Yeah.
He sells all the mentos.
What is all this
Seriously,
crap
Nate, no,
you're
why
giving
don't
me
you
about
just come
Sully?
with me? Those guys are not here for historical research, and neither are you.
Yes, I am.
This is about that Marlowe woman, isn't it?
Yes, but look at this. I finally got it. And it's just like I said. That led to this. And this led us here.
To a hole in the ground.
Well, it's a glamorous life. Come on, admit it. You love all this as much as I do.
Her hair's glitching through her neck.
No, not anymore.
Really?
Look at that.
Huh. Okay, well, why don't you just walk away?
Oh, me? Me? Walk away. That's funny.
Shotguns?
Why not?
What the?
What, you only had two.
Just my luck.
All right, just give me a hand with this.
Right.
Ready?
Well, well, well.
It's cute.
What?
Because it's a well.
Oh.
Shall
Hey guys, secret entrance to what? What's down there?
Only one way to find out.
Another non-answer.
You expected something different?
Yes. I'm checking for treasure. You shouldn't worry about it, Olena. Some good music here. I love this music. Silver and coil ring.
All right, we're good. Come on down.
He was just like,
It's just a cistern,
"Ooh."
kid. You sure this is the right place?
Yeah, it's gotta be.
So what was Sir Francis doing all the way out here anyway?
He was on a secret expedition for Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, to find the lost city of Ublar.
Yeah, the Atlantis of the Sands.
Under this city.
No, it's in the middle of the Rubel Kali Desert.
This place just tells you how to find it, supposedly.
You know, this place looks familiar. Wait a minute, this is what Francis Drake sketched on the back of the map. See, check it out. These are the same pillars. Francis Drake must have made these notes when he was down here.
Does it tell us how to find the entrance?
It's pretty cryptic, but I think I can work it out. These holes must be important. Guess we just have to find the right one.
How are we gonna do that? There are a lot of those holes.
Well, there's got to be another clue. Look around, we're missing something.
This. Right?
It's an Enochian script.
Must have been left by Drake. Can you decipher it?
I'll try. will show the way.
Moon. Down here. I am not hanging around this place till nighttime.
I'm pretty sure it's a river. I'll make a note of it on the map.
You're gonna mark up Sir Francis's 400-year-old map?
What? You wouldn't mind?
No, plus that is pretty dang tame compared to how he destroyed Shambhala.
There's a symbol carved into the floor.
So the pieces of that's pretty tame compared to the other kind of piece of history he's destroyed. So
if I stand here... This is it. Sully, you go to that column. Elena, you take the one on the far wall there. I've got this one. Okay, now just reach in and find the lever.
Really?
I think we have to pull them at the same time.
Okay, but what if you're wrong?
Yeah, I kind of like this arm, Nate. I use it all the time.
I did not need to be told that.
2, 3.
Listen.
What'd I tell you?
How did she
Yeah,
do
it
that?
worked.
Yeah,
That lady in the who was
pretty
singing.
amazing.
Okay, so why the big secret all these centuries? What did Elizabeth expect Drake to find?
We don't know exactly. Treasure, I guess.
What else?
Buried riches of a lost civilization.
Of course, it's never that simple, is it?
Really.
And those assholes in the black suits, they're looking
Wait,
for
wait.
the same thing, I
So
suppose.
this is really
Yeah.
cool.
They're Marlowe's men.
So see the two guys here? It looks like they're watching me. But really it's like indented. That's so cool. Freaky. Ah, right here. Silver and leather dagger. I found 30 treasures so far.
Pick your poison.
Pick my poison.
Weird.
Yeah, this is the
What
easier
kind of
one.
symbols are those?
Never seen anything like it.
I don't know. Looks like it's some sort of mechanism.
You did.
Someone scattered the gears all over the room.
Think Sir Francis?
Who knows?
Okay, well, let's hope we figure it out. I think we're trapped in here until we do.
Yeah. I'm trying to spin around, but that's not helping. I mean, that's not doing anything. Alright. Now
Hey,
that's
this
pretty
screen
cool.
decodes the images.
What can you see?
Man,
All right, one
see,
looks
this
like
is
a
why.
cross.
This is one,
The
another
other
reason
has
why I
4
like Uncharted
circles.
3. It has much
Same
cooler
symbols on some of
puzzles.
these gears.
Huh. Symbols seem to be rotating in opposite directions to each other.
Okay. What the hell's that supposed to mean?
So I know there's a treasure here in this room. So let's go find it. Yeah, see? Alright, pearl and emerald brooch. Cool.
Nice.
Oh, that's kinda weird. See, that's a symbol towards the twist at the end of the game. a subtle. That's a like a very subtle foreshadow right there. I'm all wet now.
Are you so sure that it's treasure they're after?
Not really sure, no.
See, another subtle foreshadow.
Okay, all the floating body parts? This is giving me the creeps.
Alright. So, all the way up there is a bat that's flying around with the treasure. I know that. Because, oh. But I'm pretty sure that there's like, see? Look at that. There's a treasure all the way up there. It's not there anymore. See, a bat. So there wasn't a bat with a treasure. Hold on. Silver figure bracelet.
Okay, that didn't work.
No worry, Nate. I already know how to do this. There we go.